The Let's Talk Chemistry with Pastor Dan. We're looking today at a limiting reactant lab. Here is the lab. We're going to look at, there again are 5 pre-lab questions. We're going to take 0.25 grams of aluminum and put that in a 250 beaker. We're going to take 2 grams of copper 2 sulfate, add water to it, and dissolve it. Pour those into each other, pour them on top of each other, and then we're going to filter. Remember, to the filter paper, we fold it, make the butterfly, clip the ling, mass it, and then go from there. All right, so there's a pre-lab questions. Make sure you no, there are no pre-lab questions for this one, so we're good. So we're going to do the balance equation, find your values, good to go. All righty, so here's the lab. So the first thing we do, I save some time, so I pre-massed aluminum. All there is 0.5, exactly 0.50 grams of aluminum. And over here, I have all the, and you notice a little bit of numbers on there. I pre-massed, wrote the mass on there to get the exact mass that's on there. Now the reaction itself, when you put the reaction together, you see that the copper comes out of solution in the double replacement reaction to get us that, single replacement reaction. The aluminum is the element and the copper 2 chloride is a compound. So we get the copper that comes out of solution. We then are going to, here's the data table that we have. So there's my mass of aluminum, mass of copper 2 chloride, and the mass, the filter paper without anything on it. All right. We then go through the filtering process. And so you never go higher than the top of the filter paper. Make sure that the copper stays inside of there, never push down, rinse it several times, all that good stuff. And then your final mass, there's the final mass. Now you notice it's a little green. The reason for it is that in the incubator, it does have a tendency overnight to oxidize. So that's going to cause some error in your conclusion. So when you write that up, if you get over 10%, and you probably will with this lab, you can always discuss with it and say that the process of drying caused an oxidation from copper to copper 2 or 3 oxide, and as a result, it caused a slight difference in mass. But that's the lab that we generate. Hopefully that wasn't too bad. Take care. God bless. Have a good day.